Hey everyone, are you tired of GTA 5 crashing every time you try to play? Don't worry, I might have the solution for you. As you can see here, the refresh rate is set to 60 Hz. Now this might seem normal, but for some systems, this setting can cause the game to crash, especially if it's incompatible with your monitor or graphics card. If your game is crashing, make sure to change the refresh rate to auto. This will allow the game to automatically adjust the refresh rate based on your monitor's compatibility, which can fix the crashing issue. Sometimes the issue could also be with your monitor or graphics card settings. If changing the refresh rate doesn't solve it, try updating your graphics drivers or checking your monitor settings for compatibility issues, and that's it. With just a quick change in the refresh rate settings, your game should run without crashing. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.